Hi everyone, this is Lakshya Maheshwari from Target Integration. Where we are from Target Integration, we are premium partners with Zoho. Right? This video is being referred and been made as in for the vertical CRM, which we have configured for the real estate industrial type. Just to brief before starting of a short demo, I would like to define module-wise description in the Zoho CRM module of what all modules are being used in the scenario. Okay, our very first module that is used over here is leads, that is inquiry module. The very first time customers, you can see the leads module over here, right? Clients module are the prospective customers or the customers that are interested in booking of your particular buildings or any unit basically. Companies, what are companies? Companies are used in the B2B scenarios, whereas in we can relate companies against the particular person. Fourthly, opportunities. What are opportunities? Opportunities are deals that are made under the clients or the companies, and all the prospective stages are being calculated over in this module. Fifth is project sites. Let me just show you. Project sites is we have made a master of a project site where our company is being located, and accordingly all our projects are to be indulged in this project site module, which is a altogether a master in this scenario. You can see that units that are included in alpha project site are included in as the unit type, unit name basically. If I go on to a particular unit, it will be indicating me all the regular scenario of a particular unit type of property. Now, starting off with a particular demo, right? You can see that this is a particular dashboard where we have firstly made our particular brand name and accordingly some of the default reports, and we have somehow configured some possible reports. That is firstly open tasks, that what all tasks are being pending as of now, how many leads are being made for the for today. Thirdly, leads by sources, from which sources have we got the particular lead. Opportunities by stages in the name of the opportunity, let's say close won, close lost, any postponed decisions, or any XYZ stages that are represented in our business scenario. Fifth is sales funnel. You can see that how many leads have been created this month and how much are to be converted into contacts and how much are the final conversion parts, that is close won deals, basically closed won opportunities. Moving ahead to the leads module page, you can see that we can create a new one from now here, whereas in we will be taken to a next form page, which is as the business type. You can see business type, individual or the corporate ones, whereas in we are just taking a first name, that is individuals. First name is, you can say, let's say this name. This is the red field is the mandatory one field to be filled up in the scenario, and just let's say we are updating any of the number. Inquiry stage, what is the inquiry stage of a particular lead? Introduction, mail send, junk, prospecting, all together these can be customized, and accordingly they are located as per the base of industrial, this industry type, basically real estate industry type. That is site visit done, you can see site visit rescheduled, or any of the particular inquiry stage you can see. Let's say introduction mail send, we can choose the broker. Okay, country detail if any, let's say the particular client, the particular lead inquirer is from India. Lead source, what is the lead source? So you can see there are plenty much more options over here where we can directly integrate integrate with 99 acres third party applications, 99 acres application, common floor, Google AdWords, Magic Bricks, Facebook, and so on. And accordingly, we can directly get a automatic lead in our CRM system from 99 acres and all these third party applications as well. Okay. Okay. Secondly, I will just write my email ID. Okay. Remarks, if any, if you want to give any of the remarks. Lead status, to be contacted, let's say. Project interested in. So the alpha and the beta we have showed you. So it will be just indicating you that in which project is the particular customer being interested into in having a particular business. Requirements. This is a new section altogether. Requirements. We have some fields like project type, residential, let's say, and also we have four options also here. The project type that we deal in, that are residential, commercial, industrial, and vacant land. Customers budget. So in a way, we usually ask the customer that, customer, what is your particular budget? So let's say I'm just assuming any of the amount right now. Floor preference, what is the preference of the particular customer? Floor preference, let's say sixth floor if he is saying. Area in which we are making our particular projects and units as well. So these are some default ones. Properties, again the unit type, that which in case if the customer has visited any of the particular unit or a property of our segment, we can also mention it over here. B117, let's say. Address information, this is a default section. Address information, whereas in we can provide street information, city, every related information regarding the address information of a particular client. Description information, if any. Let's just save the information. Okay, so you can see that the workflow email, the welcome email has been sent to the particular customer, whereas in it will be meaning in a way that the particular customer or the lead, you can say, that he is being greeted with a welcome email, right? So the customer must have received the information, received the email for this on his particular email ID. You can see that we have also indicated that the project site, if any. So it has just give us an indication that this is a particular project site that a particular customer is maybe interested into. Open activities. You can see that we can directly create a new activity, whereas in, let's say, Rajshri has told us to call on 20th of September, right? So we are making just a subject to call the customer on 20th, right? Due date, what we will due date, let's say 21, let's say. Priority of a particular conversation, of a particular task, let's say normal. Who will be doing this particular task? The lead owner can be also done over here. In case I would like to just save this particular task, accordingly you can see that this task has been created and automatically it will be just on 20th of the September, it will indicate in our pop-up option that is here. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so if this particular customer says that he is interested in booking a particular building or the any of the plot or any of the unit, let's say we have one more option, inquiry stage. We have set up this workflow, whereas in if we click to this particular stage, inquiry stage, interested in booking, let's say, and if we try to save, what will happen? The next step will happen in a way is that the lead will be automatically being converted into a contact or in company name, contact as in client name basically, and it will be demolished from this particular leads module. Now we can save this particular lead. Now it is saying that the lead you are trying to access has been converted already. So automatic conversion of a particular lead has been converted into a client. Let me just refresh. As you can see, Rajshri Sharma, and accordingly the automatic task has been allocated, right? Now we have certain informations of a particular customer over here. Okay, open activities is being added over here. We can add units if any, if you want to add any. Okay, we can add opportunities. What are opportunities? As we told that the particular dealing cycle of a particular with a particular customer is known as the opportunity in this aspect. Okay, final deal, let's say the opportunity name is company name, if any. Basically unit status is, let's say for now, blocked, let's say. And if we say that the particular stage is the negotiation stage, that the particular customer is just negotiating, whereas in also we have provided some of the particular stages that are, you can see, postpone decisions, started, gather informations, down payment stage. Every information related to the real estate fields has been provided as of now. These drop down values can also be changed as per the requirements of a different real estate segment also. Amount, let's say any of the amount right now, for now, and we say that closing date may be 23 INR. Yes. Project type residential again. Country detail, let's say India. Booking details, you can see that these two information are the mandatory information to be filled up in this scenario. Units, let's say B117. Project information, which project site has been selected in this scenario. Details, regular normal details of the particular customer. So this is an internal information, available margin amount, let's say. Type of payment, from which payment type is the customer been selecting. Here as in we have two options, bank loan or the self finance, let's say bank loan. Preferred bank, we can add on more list in the preferred bank selections. Bank loan status, you have 4 fields over here. On booking confirmation, property owner name, phone number. So this is a regular information that is captured from a particular customer, the regular needy information of a particular customer, right? Check details, check number details, payment mode, what is the particular mode of the particular customer, payment mode of a particular customer, contact number, power of attorney. Next is payment schedule. This is a next subform located over in this opportunity module, whereas in we can track of our every payment, first payment, let's say deal amount, payment percentage, how much percentage we have covered, and we can also add on against the second payment and the third payment as well. So accordingly, deal amount and payment percentage amount to be paid will be automatically been registered into this segment also. All right, on payment, property holder name, so all the regular information of your family or the any of the father of the spouse will be mentioned in this subform, so as to confirm all the regulatory informations of a family. Here as in we can add as much as we can, right? Let me just save this particular opportunity under clients. So you can see that this particular opportunity has been created under Mr. Rajshri Sharma. So you can see that this particular opportunity has been created under Rajshri Sharma, and at what stage is this particular deal, is this particular opportunity is. We can see also the stages of a particular opportunity under Rajshri Sharma also. If we have created any activities or meetings or calls, we can also register against this particular opportunity also. Secondly, we have created some blueprints over here. You can see that if I say that booking has been confirmed, right, so it will be indicating me to the next form page, which is being indicated as a notes, property owner name, and all the regulatory information, necessary information of a particular customer over here. Let's say customer has told us to book this property, but he will be paying on further dates. Okay, property owner name, let's say, phone number, we have given as of now anything, power of attorney, let's say this, contact number, payment mode, let's say cash, check, sorry, check details if any, we are mentioning all the check details over here. Project alpha, unit is B17, this, so this will be confirmed now. Accordingly, the unit status will be blocked, the B17 unit will be blocked automatically. You can see that booking has been confirmed, and accordingly the renewals will be taken care of in this scenario, right? So in case of any scheduler of payment, we can note down the all the necessary information that on which date the particular customer will be providing us a check amount, and accordingly the payment schedule can be defined in this scenario. Okay, now coming on to renewals, we can also have some renewals according to every customer's renewal name, email status of a particular renewal, yet to pay, yes to pay, or any of the information in this scenario. Also, we have also set up in this scenario that if a due date of a particular renewal date has been gone, has been exceeded to a particular date, right, accordingly your renewal checklist, this renewal option in the opportunity option will be automatically been checklisted, which means that the renewal has to be taken care of in this scenario. Okay, I have mentioned you all the project sites in this scenario. Project sites are the buildings and the projects that we are dealing in, right? Also, we can maintain contracts, proposals in this. Accordingly, we can also make the direct sales order in this scenario. Let me just show you. Let's say we have to make a particular sales order in this. So we can also set off our particular email template, and accordingly we can make a new sales order in this. Let me just show you. Finally, let's say any of the information right now. B117. So we are just saving this information, which will indicate that we have made a particular sales order under this, and accordingly we can see that we can make an automatic invoice template. You can see that this is a particular email template, whereas in we can also make necessary information, make more changes in this scenario, which can indicate that to which company we have to build this, to which company we have to ship this, accordingly all the terms and conditions that can be mentioned over in this scenario. Or let me just update you, we can also have approval process in every module sections, whereas in let's set up an example is I'm just setting up an example in this scenario is that basically we can in case of the final opportunity, the particular customer has been booking, but we are not being that much fix in this scenario that our particular senior guy will be approving this or not with this particular final deal amount. So accordingly we can also have an approval process on the basis of this, and accordingly if the particular senior person approves this particular invoice, accordingly it will be sent it automatically to the particular customer in this scenario. Hoping that everyone must be liking this short video, short vertical of a real estate. Thank you everyone.